Hello, good afternoon. My name is Amy Dariana Atede Rodriguez of the IMEC 102 group, and I will talk you about abstract. Camargo is a new producing city. Thanks to this project, we generate benefits for the farmers who have and work the governments. The Technological University of Camargo was one of the most specialized careers for innovation, which deals with the career in mechatronics. With this project consisted of following of an existing project, innovating and improving the machine with the use of the technology, reducing costs and personal work. The company Agroindustrial San Luis gave us the opportunity to work with this project. This company manufactures agricultural machinery for the field. In addition, this company supports us economically and in service, lending us with place of work and the necessary machinery to work. For this project, it took us approximately 4 months working and interacting through some sessions. Since as a result of the pandemic, it was very difficult to get it.
Hello, my name is René Hernandez. In this presentation, the next sensor is the level sensor. Um, Sensor level. They measure the fluid level, weight, or range, rather than the point, and produce analog output that correlates directly to the level into vessel to create a level management system. The output signal in a linked to process control cycle and visual indicator. The sensor detects surface issue and route it back to microprocess for a digital representation of the distance between the sensor and surface level toward a constant update the received signal. The microprocess calculate the average value to measure the fluid level. In, into programming is team is team meeting Arduino in the control process this the sensor level. The sensor level in the function as a stand sensor that use ultrasound to determine the distance of the object in a range of 20 25 to 4 400 400.
Good night, my name is Iram Delgado and I am going to talk about the Missouri of Revolution per Minute. And the company that designed the spraying machine ISKET used for an indicator of the impeller speed, and we use it a whole sensor. And model is H8 and 10 and 42 and magnet of neodymium, and the magnet is very strong, and which the signal is obtained took a whole type and sensor, and this sensor obtained a signal and of neodymium. That sensor registered the terms and by means of electric impulses. In this way, we obtain pulses for each turn of the rod. Well, we count those pulses and the revolution per minute. We do the coded in Arduino in the part of the revolution in we declare the variable count and the increment impulse on one and the data is printed and to send into W and through the serial import and there in LabVIEW we show the revolution per minute and indicator and that's it's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Daniel. Our project is an automatic sprinkler. Margo is a nut producing series. Thanks to the project, we generate benefit for the farmers who have and work the walnuts. The Technology University of Camargo has one of the most specialist careers for innovation, which the career in mechatronics. With this project consists of following group existing projects, innovating and improving the machine. With the use of technology, reducing costs and personal work. The company Agroindustrial San Luis have used the opportunity to work with the project. This company manufactures agricultural machinery for the field. In addition, this company supports youth economy and service, lending youth a wide place or work and the necessary machinery to work. And so, for this project, it took use approximately 4 months. Interact and working in the company workshop with the help of some teachers and company staff. The teamwork is a very important for the manufacture of this project. Since collaboration is needs several tasks and hubs, and addition to having to responsibility to fulfill. And I'm going to show these parts we make of the machine. This is the chassis assembly of the powder and this is for trial with PTR 242. This is the impeller bracket, machine weights, plate and reinforced for supporting blades, and the aluminum impeller assembly to reduce weight. This is the aluminum impeller assembly to reduce weight and increase speed. This is the cannon sight with holes for express. And this is the layout, side barred front, and the sign sides in line C40. This is the assembly spray cannon. This is the layout, protective followed ward. And this is the tank with capacity of the 1,875 liters. This is the ultrasonic sensor with a range of 8 meters distance and sensor base for AI 16.3. This assembled in the barrel and stored in the chassis bunker. Final design prototype. The sprinkler.
Hello, good night. My name is Pascual Ramirez. I presentation technical manual. This presentation contain the sensor used in our project Integrative. Uh, the first sensor is ultrasonic distance sensor. The sensors come with a 2.5 long cable that connects to a connection board that controls the sensor and perform all the signal processing. The two sensor is the flow sensor. Is a water sensor that is composed a copper base, a water rotor, as well as Hall effect sensor. The sensor, the flow sensor process is about when water is flowing through the rotor. The rotor is spinning until the water stops flowing. Is a table for specifications with the sensor working. Is a module. Module is a SGA 10422. This module is Hall effect. Hall effect sensor module bases its operating principle on the Hall effect, which is when a magnetic field is exerted transversally to a conductor through which a current circulates, which make the sharks are driven towards one side of the conductor on a voltage called Hall voltage or transverse voltage is generated in it. It is very useful in electronics, robots, and automation projects. Yeah, it's all for me. Thank you.